welcome back to VISWA'S Creative Lab. If you are new to my channel, please push the subscribe button and click the bell icon to get notifications of my new videos. In my last video, I was making a cardboard jeep. Guess what we are going to make in this video? Yes, you are correct. A 3D hologram projector. Let's go and make it, friends. To make a 3D hologram projector, we need paper, sellotape, scissors, pencil, scale, transparent file. This is how a 3D hologram projector looks like. I am going to show you how to make it. First, I'll show you the measurements. Here it is 1 centimeter. Here it is 3.5 centimeter. And down it is 6 centimeter. If I am doing it directly in the sheet, there will be some marking like this. I am advising you to do first in the plain paper, then you can use it to cut it in the transparent sheet. Keep it above the transparent sheet and cut it like this. This is how it looks. I am going to make 3 more like this. See guys, I have made 4 pieces. Now I am going to use sellotape to stick them together. Like this you should stick. And it should be foldable. Like this. You should stick the other 2 pieces with sellotape in the same way. This is how it looks like at the end. You will get this hole here. Now we are going to test the 3D hologram projector. In YouTube, if you search 3D hologram video, you get an n number of videos. I am going to play. In every video, you get an X mark. You should keep your hologram projector like this. Now, let's switch off the light. Let's try another video. I'm going to show you one more video. All of you enjoyed it, isn't it? It's very simple to make at home. If you like my video, click the thumbs up and share my video. We'll meet in my next video, friends. Bye bye. Thank you all.